Hi, Washington Elementary staff. Hey, just wanted to touch base with you in regards to purchase orders. Wanted to give you a resource on how to go about that. If you go to our district website, go into the district tab here on the upper left-hand corner. And you're going to go down to business services. When you click on that business services, let's see if I did that right. Whoop, not. Click on business services. Down the left side in the gray area, there's all kinds of different things here. So purchasing, travel, mileage, reimbursement. So if you click on that, you'll have another item come up. And in the middle of the page here, we have purchase order. So if you click on that purchase order, it'll bring the PO up. So what you need to do from here is very important. You need to make sure you save it to your computer. If we just fill it out this way and send it, it's going to send it blank. So we're going to go ahead and go File, Save As, and wherever you want to save it, you can save it to the desktop, you can save it to your H drive, wherever it might be. When you save this purchase order, save it as your last name. Okay, so Ryan, first name, and then a description. So say you're getting some Walmart or something at Walmart, and then the date on the end of it. So 10-4-19. And then when Mary and I get it, we'll add in the PO number and we'll add in the budget code. So you just have to fill out what you're purchasing, add in last name, first name, what it is, and then put the date on the end, and then send that to Mary and I, and we will do the rest. So hopefully this helps out a little bit. I will put this in our shared drive under documents and forms if you need it. Thank you. Bye.